the functions and anatomy of the kidneys. Ladies and gentlemen, in this lecture, we will explore the critical functions of the kidneys and the anatomy of these remarkable organs. The kidneys play a vital role in maintaining our overall health, and understanding their functions is essential for appreciating their significance. The functions of the kidneys are: 1. Filtering metabolic wastes. The kidneys serve as natural filters for our bloodstream, removing metabolic waste products in the form of urine. This crucial function helps keep our blood clean and free from harmful waste materials. 2. Urine formation. Urine is formed as a result of the kidneys' intricate activities. This process involves the selective filtration of blood to produce urine, which contains waste products, excess substances, and excess water. 3. Balancing fluid and electrolytes. The kidneys are responsible for regulating the composition and volume of our blood. They maintain the balance of fluids and electrolytes in our body, ensuring that we stay properly hydrated and our electrolyte levels are within the desired range. 4. Balancing acid-base levels. Kidneys play a crucial role in maintaining the body's acid-base balance, helping to prevent the development of acidosis or alkalosis. 5. Influencing blood pressure. To aid in regulating blood pressure, the kidneys secrete the enzyme renin. This enzyme plays a significant role in managing blood pressure levels by controlling blood vessel constriction and fluid balance. Kidney tissue. The kidneys are composed of 3 distinct types of tissue. 1. Capsule tissue. This is tough, white fibrous connective tissue found on the kidney's surface, providing structural support and protection. 2. Cortex tissue. Cortex tissue covers the outer portion of the kidney and is firm and reddish-brown in color. It serves as a critical area for various kidney functions. 3. Medulla tissue. Medulla tissue makes up the masses of collecting tubes within the inner part of the kidneys. The renal pyramids and papillae are composed of medulla tissue. Cortex tissue extends between the renal pyramids, forming the outer layer of the kidneys, while medulla forms inner kidney renal columns, hilum and renal pelvis. Hilum. The hilum is a notch located near the center of the rounded border of each kidney. This is where blood vessels and the ureter enter each kidney, enabling the exchange of blood and the transportation of urine. Renal pelvis. The renal pelvis serves as the collecting point for urine formed in the kidneys. Peristalsis, a wave-like muscular contraction, carries urine from the renal pelvis to the ureter for eventual elimination from the body. Nephron. The nephron is the functional unit of the kidney and is estimated to be present in millions within each kidney. It consists of 2 main components. 1. Renal corpuscle. The renal corpuscle comprises a double-walled sac known as Bowman's capsule, leading to a small artery called the afferent arteriole. Within the capsule, the afferent arteriole forms a mass of capillaries called the glomerulus, with an efferent arteriole draining blood away from the capsule. The afferent arteriole supplies blood to the glomerulus, which filters a significant portion of the blood's fluid into the renal capsule. 2. Renal tubule. The renal tubule is divided into the proximal convoluted tubule, renal loop of Henle, and distal convoluted tubule. These components play crucial roles in reabsorbing valuable substances and facilitating the excretion of waste materials. The renal tubule reabsorbs essential substances such as water, glucose, electrolytes, for example, sodium, chloride, and bicarbonate, and non-electrolytes back into the bloodstream. Tubular secretion involves the elimination of substances like potassium ions, hydrogen ions, ammonia, creatinine, and certain drugs. This process contributes to waste removal and the regulation of blood pH. In summary, the major work of the urinary system is accomplished by nephrons, which are composed of renal corpuscles and tubular systems. Nephrons play 3 critical roles. 1. Controlling blood concentration and volume by removing selected amounts of water and solutes. 2. Regulating blood pH. 3. Removing toxic waste from the blood. Nephrons remove many materials from the blood, returning what the body requires and eliminating the rest as urine. The kidneys filter the entire volume of blood in the body approximately 60 times a day, collecting tubules. Distal convoluted tubules from several nephrons empty into a collecting tubule, forming one larger tubule that eventually opens at a renal papilla and drains into a calyx in the renal pelvis. These collecting tubules are responsible for the final reabsorption of electrolytes, water, and glucose, as well as the secretion of various substances, aiding in the body's maintenance of balance and waste elimination.